Hi, and welcome to a tutorial about job scheduling quick actions. Quick actions are great for those who want to improve speed and efficiency when it comes to scheduling. Before we begin, let's head to an empty week and click on the action buttons on the top right. Here we're immediately able to copy previous week, which will copy all of the shifts from the previous week onto our schedule. We're also very easily able to clear the week from all the shifts, unpublish the week if they were published. We can unassign the shifts so they're not assigned to any users. We can export the week as an Excel file. We can save it and load it as a template, or we can even print the week in PDF. Another thing that you can do is if you hover over a shift, you see three buttons. If you click on them, you can choose to duplicate the shift, or you can multi-duplicate. From here, it's also very easy to just drag and drop a shift amongst your users. A final thing that we recommend is to look at the view by Jobs view. Here you can very easily see all of your jobs and make sure that the right people are assigned to the right jobs. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us over the chat or visit our help center on help.connecteam.com.